Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're doing a special laundry room nook. Now I have an area here that's just terrible. I can't do anything with it. We've got this weird cabinet here, not a laundry basket, and we can't put any cabinet here or shelves here because of this dryer pipe. So I'm gonna take this laundry room nightmare and make it a laundry room dream. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. So I want to move this dryer pipe out of the way. Now in theory, I'm going to cut the pipe with a hacksaw up closer to the ceiling. Use one of these 4-inch elbows on it. I'm going to bring the pipe over and drop it down behind the dryer so I can use this space for something else. They also have the bottom secured with this, looks like about a 2-inch block. And we can reuse this hose adapter. Alright, so I am going to turn my pipe this way, like so, and I want it to cover most of it, so I'm gonna mark it here. All right, I got my trusty Sawzall with my fine tooth metal cutting blade. Cool, we're through. Now the reason I'm not doing this in the attic is because it's tied directly to a dryer roof vent, which means in order to do that I would have to cut a new vent, move the pipe where I want it to go, re-shingle over that, put a new vent, and it's just too much work and I don't really want to go through all that. So we're going to elbow this over. Go. Loosen the dryer vent. Whoa, almost hit my camera. That would have been terrible. Phew. Loosen the dryer vent. Whoa, this bad boy is pretty full. Now we can mud those. Let's get our pipe connected. Alright, so we got a 1960s pipe and a 2019. We're gonna make them work the best that we can. I'm gonna try to get this capped on there like that, but because they're different pipes and different thicknesses, different gauges, I'm gonna try to crimp this a little bit right here so it'll slide on. Just a little crimp. Oh yeah, that worked awesome. That bad boy is in there. Nice. So I'm going to connect the dryer hose to this fitting, and I'm going to place the fitting over here. So I need to find the measurement on my pipe. I need my pipe to be about 22 inches long. Self-tapper. Phew! Now we need to get some kind of support on that side before tying in our dryer hose. I can see I got a stud right here. That's where I'm going to put my support. And you can tack one there if you want to also. Now we can hose it and be drying clothes again. Alright, so I've got my dryer pipe moved and it's painted, the wall color, I got the walls painted, it's looking a little better. Now I got a 30-inch cabinet because this nook I don't know why I keep calling it a nook. This laundry area was just terrible. There was a pipe and some weird cabinet with some whatever. Anyway, I wanted to do something a little more efficient and a little more storage friendly, etc. So I'm going to put up a wall cabinet 30 inches tall by 30 inches wide, and they stick out 12 inches. So I've got a pipe here. The cabinet's going to help hide the pipe, which is always awesome. So it looks like I have plenty of room between the pipe and the plug. I got 40 inches. So how low do you want the cabinet to hang is basically the deal. I'm going to go 30 is the bottom of the cabinet. Okay, my stud is definitely alongside here, so this is basically where my stud is going to be, and I'm going to mark it because I'm going to put up this piece of wood. I'm hanging this cabinet by myself, so I'm going to show you how to do that alone. So I'm going to draw a level line here at my cabinet height, how low I want it, nice and level. Now I'm going to hang a 1x on the wall to help support the cabinet when I put it up there, and that way I can hang it by myself. Now I know I've got a stud over here because it's the corner of the wall. There's definitely a stud. Now, to secure the cabinet, I'm using these wood screws. I think they're made by Spax. You're not supposed to use drywall screws on cabinets. Now I want to split the difference between the washer and the wall. Looking good. Now you can open up the cabinet. The wood's carrying the weight. This little colonial style table is a 30-inch smooth hollow core door. We cut the table to size, and just like any other cut door, you use your 1 3/16 inch rip to fill and secure the end. Then you can put it on the wall with a trim board and set the leg underneath. You can secure it with some L brackets. So you can see that this wasn't very efficient before, but we added the cabinet and the little table, took it from ah to ah. Now this colonial table with the door and the table leg was only about $50, and it really dressed up this area, made it a little more efficient. Now I put mine in a corner, so I only needed one leg. If you wanted to put this in the middle of a wall, you would need 2 legs. So that's it. I hope this video sparked some creativity and imagination for your inefficient areas in your house. It took this place from ah to ah. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.